Mastering English communication requires dedication, consistent practice, and exposure to the language in various contexts. While it's impossible to cover every aspect of English communication in less than 500 words, I can provide some key points to help you on your journey. Build a strong foundation. Start with the basics of grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Learn the fundamental rules and principles of English. Practice reading and understanding different types of texts. Develop listening skills. Listen to English audio, podcasts, and videos regularly. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and native speakers' speech patterns. Practice comprehension by engaging in conversations or using listening exercises. Enhance speaking skills. Engage in conversations with native speakers or language partners. Join language exchange programs or conversation groups. Focus on pronunciation, fluency, and expressing ideas clearly. Expand vocabulary. Read extensively to expose yourself to a wide range of words. Learn new words and their usage in context. Use vocabulary building techniques like flashcards or word association games. Improve writing skills. Practice writing in English regularly. Start with short paragraphs and gradually move on to essays or articles. Feedback from native speakers or language tutors to improve. Stay motivated and persistent. Learning a language takes time and effort, so stay committed to your goals. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Surround yourself with English materials, music, movies, and books to maintain enthusiasm. Remember, mastering English communication is a continuous process, and progress comes with consistent effort and practice. Enjoy the journey, stay motivated, and embrace every opportunity to use and improve your English skills.